Hello everyone and welcome back to Mind Your Money. If you are here for the first time, my name is Tasha and we are documenting our journey to debt freedom, financial independence while building generational wealth. If any of that interests you, along with managing money, saving money, and getting out of debt, please click the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when to come back around. Legacy builders, if you're here, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you put the hashtag legacy builder in the comments. This is going to be a very quick update video on the debt repayment that we've made in the month of February. If you haven't seen the closeout budget for February in its entirety, you can go ahead and check it out if you'd like to, because I did share some of this information there. But this video is just another way to document and hopefully to help anyone who might not have seen that whole video. So it's going to be quick, you guys. So this is a written debt snowball tracker that I created here in this tool notebook, and I am just going to fill in the last payment that we made in February, which was February 26th, for $100. Okay, so I filled in the amount. It was 100. Now I need to fill out this part. This is where I'm tracking each of the loans in the whole student loans individually. So I need to make sure to update this with the $100 that was paid on the 26th. Then we have this, a list again of all of the loans. I have to do it this way because I like to see that we've made a significant amount of progress. This is how I stay motivated. This is how I stay motivated. How do you guys like to manage and record your debt payments? Do you strictly use an apparatus like Excel or Google Sheets? Do you use YNAB? I'm open to receiving any type of feedback from you guys, but this is what motivates me to write it down and to see that the numbers have steadily been going down, and the balance we have at the end of February is $10,444.62. Okay, so I use this free debt-free land total debt tracker to shade in, and for the month of February we paid $425.50 towards debt. So let me find out how many squares can I fill in today. Each square on this page is worth $140. So I'm going to divide that by the number. So we get to shade in 3 squares today, which is fun. So I'm excited about that. Make sure you can see. Good. So we ended at the end of January, we ended here. So 1, 2, 3. Let me shade in just quickly. This is the most fun part for me. It feels good to see your progress this way too. All right. And we haven't yet made any payments in March, because I know we are in March, and by the time you see this video, you'll probably already see my paycheck budget, which shows that we haven't allocated any money for the budget, but I'm certain we'll put some money towards this debt. All right, so that's it for the shading on this part. We're still making progress. Now, on to loan 828. This started with a balance of $2,520.88. This loan in particular is what we are attacking next. And each square is worth $25. So let's find out how many squares we can shade in on this tracker. $425.50 paid divided by 25, 17 squares. So for this one, you guys will get a little bit of music as I slow down and shade in, for those who like that sort of thing. Okay. And we're going to shade now. guys, we shaded in the 17 squares and we're almost at the 50% mark. Let me turn you around. Look at it. We're almost halfway there. So I'm really excited. The balance that is currently in on 828 is $1,409.39. So I'm excited because I know we're going to be able to throw a snowball at this very, very soon. Thank you guys so much for being here today for our debt update for February 2021. Remember, as always, legacy builders, to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives to its fullest. Bye for now.